4घन्टा गेलेनो
에이 풀어.
बरिया मानि रंजादों मानिथ' रंजादों 15th August. Today is the Independence Day of India. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. As we know, India celebrates 74th Independence Day this year. So today on this day, I'll be showing you how our villagers observe this Independence Day. Ayaka Jaya. Years-old men ready to play football match in the name of this Independence Day. Oh,
50 years.
4घन्टा गेलेनो
에이 풀어.
देरहागोनना जेनगोन
내려가건.
देरहागोन दा
ବର୍ଷିଆ 내려가건.
माबायदि खेला माबायदि मा हिसाबाव गेलेदों खेलाया
본다든지 본다고 스테노자리 뭐해?
and they are showing the sportsmanship spirit by shaking hands. So in observing this day, they are going to play a football match or football competition one day, coming from different villages in this field. So you go on watching, you will enjoy it. जोंनि अल बिटिनियावहाय 15 आगस्टनि मुङैहाय मोनसे फुटबल बादायलायनाय जादों खेलाखौ गेलेगोन जाहैबाय सालबारि एफसि आरो दलगाव एफसि And the interesting thing is that here are the prizes. This is homemade for winning team and runners up team. And the match starts now. Now since both the teams could not defeat each other, they are going to conduct tiebreaker. So the Dologo FC won the match, and the runners-up team is Salwari FC.
대단하는 보리야 많이 롱자등 많이 더 롱자등 많이 롱자등 내 하나이니
Chèn bay lên, chèn bay. Yes. Bay. 그냥 마치 벨라 당하셔.
두쿠먼 바이 나마 예 दिनैहाय मानि थाखाय बे खेलाखौ होदोंमोन
15 आगस्ट
15 आगस्टना
भारत सादिन
बेखायनो रंजादों दे
So here is the winning team carrying their prize, and here is runners-up team carrying their prize. So this is how our villagers enjoy and observe the Independence Day every year. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in next video. Bye bye.